Thank you for joining us this Saturday when we are going to have a chat with Sonali Sehgal, the Pyar Ka Panchnama girl. I'm sure you must have all seen her either in that movie or Jai Mammi Di. So we're going to have a chat with her. Apart from romantic comedies, Sonali is also doing an upcoming movie with Sunny Leone and a web series, and she'll be talking all about it.
Hey,
Hey, how's your Saturday going on?
ah, it's such a deja vu, you know?
I know.
It's such deja vu. Like today, I was really feeling like we're back to that again. So it was a bittersweet, bitter feeling.
I know.
More of bitter, less of sweet. I mean, I honestly don't know how to put it. But here we are again.
Sorry?
I said, but here we are again.
Yes, thanks to all this digital, life that we have all got accustomed to in 2020, that our entertainment is on.
Yeah. I know, but what can one do, right? As you were saying, right, that we have to keep ourselves sane and entertained and just have a little silver lining in all of this. It's very hard to have a silver lining. मतलब आप इतने बड़े pandemic में silver lining क्या ढूंढ सकते हो यार? But फिर भी जितना भी हो सकता है, right? That's
I think 2020 में सबने kitchen experiments, dalgona coffee, cakes, everything कर लिया है. अभी I think they're just going to not. I'm not sure how much they're going to try the kitchen experiments anymore.
Actually, I was back to doing it again today.
Yeah.
So today, because it really felt like last year का March, April, May का lockdown. Today of all the days, like Maharashtra में तो काफी restrictions आई गई हैं. It's almost like a lockdown, but weekend lockdown तो ज़्यादा feel हो रहा है. क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी की भी छुट्टी है because she's been going to work. So आज उनकी भी छुट्टी है. Plus road पे आप नहीं जा सकते हो. So again in the morning, she and I we made our breakfast and we experimented with our cooking. And then I had called for a cake yesterday itself. So we had a little morning and binge watching, and now live. It's like I said, it's deja vu.
Yes.
Yeah.
So your team at Anamika team, I think your hairdresser and Sunny Leone's hairdresser, they both got tested positive.
Yeah. There were quite a few people on our team that did, and we had to kind of stop the shoot. Sunny's spot boy, my spot boy, my hair person, they all did test positive. And I'm sure उसके बाद और भी लोग होंगे because unit तो काफी बड़ा होता है. So yeah, right now we're not shooting and we are just waiting for these tough times to kind of pass us.
More about Anamika. This is very exciting. It's a web series or it's a movie?
Yes, it is a web series. It's the first action web series, or in fact, first action anything that I am doing. And so Sunny and we play, I would say, trained assassins, and it's an out and out action where we are out there to kind of get each other, and there's more which you will know. And it's very exciting because I've always wanted to do action, but I've never done it. And it's fun shooting with her, fun working with Vikram. I think he's a great filmmaker, and maza aa raha hai. It's a lot of fun.
How was it with Vikram? Vikram Bhatt, like he's known to be very intense director and very, the subjects are very offbeat. Was that the reason you chose Anamika?
I chose Anamika. Yes, Vikram was definitely one of the big reasons, and I told him also that I'm glad that you're directing it and not just producing it. Like he's producing it and directing it. So I am. That was definitely a huge tick because it's always nice to work with someone who's confident of what they're making and who know what they're doing. So that was one of the reasons, and I would say the main reason was the fact that it's a very different role that I haven't played earlier. It's an action role, and so it's exciting.
And Sunny, how's working with Sunny Leone?
Oh, amazing. She's super sweet, super fun. It's almost like the first few days was almost like having a big sister on to work with. And big sister purely because of the whole vibe that she has. Like she was extremely, because she had started shooting for it, and I joined later. So she was literally like, kind of making me comfortable, and she really saw to it that, I don't like. In fact, my first day was full action. मतलब पहले दिन पे ही आके action में धकेल दिया मुझे विक्रम सर ने. So, I was very like एक बार I kicked her also by mistake. Like I had to pretend the action में कैसे pretend करते हो ना? Like if I have to slap you, I'm not going to actually come and slap you. I'm going to go very close to your face. तो वो लग गया एक बार उसको. So all of those hitches happened, but she was extremely nice about it, and she's super funny. She's like so hilarious on set. And super chill. So it's really a lot of fun, and I'm really looking forward to completing the entire series now, whenever that will be.
That's great, amazing. So after romantic comedies, action is something that we haven't seen you ever doing it ever, and it will be fun, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So going back to the era of romantic comedies where you started your work from, and how were you somehow confused or happy about a multi-starrer? Debuting with a multi-starrer is a risk also when you're just starting. So were you skeptical somehow, or you were like just confident that you'll make it, like you'll make your mark somewhere?
Yes, I would be lying if I said no, I was not skeptical. I was, and I was obviously very new then. It was my first film. So, yes, these questions did come into my head because we all want that solo launch, where we are the only heroine and all of that. And I knew this was not that kind of a film. It was a comedy which favored the boys. It's not something that favored the girls, so to say. It was 6 newcomers, so 3 girls and 3 boys. So most of I did, but honestly, I went ahead with my gut feeling anyway. And I'm so glad now when I look at it in retrospect that I did. And I don't regret the decision one bit. Because, if the script is good and you're happy with your part, I think that's what you need to focus on. I have realized over my journey. Yeah.
So if any other project, multi-starrer project comes to you, you won't mind taking it up, or
Not
you
at
will
all.
just concentrate on solo films now.
No, not at all. In fact, my kind of work profile kind of shows that I have been part of multi-starrers even after that, whether it was a setters. And I would
Yeah.
say, in fact, my only solo film would be Jai Mamidi, so to speak. And now that I will be doing Bundi Raita. So yeah, I'm open to doing good work. I really don't function like that, and I genuinely feel that us as outsiders, like someone who's not connected to the industry, who really trying hard to make it, we don't have that many choices, right? I cannot sit here and just wait for certain people in the industry to have a solo thing for me. I cannot. If it happens, great. I would love that. But I'm an actor. I have to focus on doing good work. I keep working on myself. Trust me. Like every year, like whether I'm working or not working, I keep working on myself and bettering myself. So I am open to good scripts, good roles, and I'm very sure of what I want. Sorry, I'm actually very sure of what I don't want. Like,
Yeah. Okay. That's better. That's better
Yeah.
way to look at it.
yeah, I'm very sure of that. Otherwise, I'm very free flowing and open. I'm open to it. But कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो मुझे पता है यार ये तो नहीं करना है. So that I'm clear. So my decisions kind of become easier then.
So what is that? जो नहीं करना है.
So I tend, I mean, at least I did in the past, and to get typecasted as glamorous something extremely easily. And then what happens is, and I have nothing against it. I'm happy to play glamorous roles. I don't know, but something which has maybe too many bold scenes, or I mean, I don't know. I really can't pinpoint it at this point. But something in which maybe is not fascinating to me as a script, or which is shot not in a nice way, or the aesthetics of a director really matter. Actually, let me correct myself. It's not about bold scenes. It's about who's making it and what is their intention behind making it. We have a lot of filmmakers who shoot the same stuff because the intention is correct and the way it looks वो बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है या उसकी ज़रूरत होती है film में. And then there are people who are making stuff to just titillate people. So I'm very sure of those kind of films, that I don't want to be part of bold films just to titillate people. So yeah, I think that would be a few of them.
Okay. So since we mentioned Jai Mammi Di, that was a really, really nice movie. 2020, we all were sitting at our homes, and that movie actually brought smiles to a lot of people. How was it working with the, the veteran actresses, Poonam Dhillon and Supriya Pathak?
It was fabulous. It was amazing. So much to learn from them. Yeah. They're like such senior actors. I so much to learn from them as women because they're both working actors who've been in the industry for so long. They have families. The way they conduct themselves. So and a lot of fun also. They're both like super super fun to be around, and you can actually talk to them, and so it's nice. It was actually amazing.
Nice. Any similarities that you found in them relation to your mother? Like, tell us something about your mother. Your journey has been really incredible. I was reading up about it, and it's something that's really inspiring and touching. So, I would like you tell us a bit about it.
Uh, my mother is like the center focal point of my life, and I'm for her. So we're very close. I think now a lot of people know that. And she's my best friend, my confidant, my inspiration, everything. Um, we live together now since the past almost 8 9 years, I think. And she's an extremely strong woman. She is making dal in the kitchen as we speak. Yeah. So I mean, she's had like a tough life, but well, we're good now, and we love each other's company. And like I was saying, right, आज सुबह हम शुरू हो गए because we were very happy कि आज उनकी भी छुट्टी है, lockdown है, आज खाने बनाएंगे. So that's that, and she's hilarious. She's a super funny woman and super entertaining, and it's just fun. Like if my mom and I are there, we don't need anyone else. It's like that.
Okay, nice. Is that where you get your comic timing from?
She's better, trust me.
Nice. Your comic timing was amazing in Jai Mamidi, and your chemistry with Sunny Singh, it was so good to watch.
Thank you.
Are you like very good friends, and how's the rapport with him?
Our whole Panchnama gang somehow it's a very we really had grown together, right? You can say we were all newcomers when we started, and we've all had very different journeys. Whether it's Karthik, Nashradni, Ishita, Omkar, Sunny, even part one ka Divendu and Rayo. So everyone's had very different journeys. But I'm happy to say that we are connected still, few more than the others. And it's all really nice, cordial. We feel like we're part of this family of in the industry, which includes our directors and our ADs and the people who work with us, basically. So, and Sunny and I mean, we were very comfortable shooting with each other, and we do share a great offline friendship, which I guess translates into good chemistry. मतलब वो chemistry बोल लो या friendship बोल लो या comfort level बोल लो. So we do have that, and yeah, I'm glad it's still there.
Your mom watches all your movies.
Yeah, 100%. She watches them repeatedly. Like, so every time a film releases, she will obviously come for the screening or premiere, and then she will book tickets for her entire office and then make them watch it. And then she will take her set of friends and then she'll watch it. So वो 2 3 5 बार तो minimum देख ही लेती है.
That's very nice. So, is there any criticism or any kind of appreciation that has really stuck onto your mind, which she said after watching one of your movies?
Actually, she is a very critical person. Like, she's very good at constructive criticism and gives good advice. But it's a very nice question you've asked me because no one's really asked me this. But from the first film, she's like a good balance of criticism and encouraging. So from the first film, she's been extremely encouraging. In fact, कुछ flaws होते भी हैं. So she's like, नहीं मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा, and I'm like, my mom, that's why. But it's very nice, as a child, as a daughter, to be appreciated and to be acknowledged for the hard work you're putting. Offline, अगर मतलब मेरे काम को लेके कभी नहीं किया, but appreciate किया. Like, for example, it's not like she criticized me in my first film, but she did appreciate in my fifth film that you've really improved as an actor. So you understand what I mean? It's not like she said, "Oh, you're a bad actor." Then I was good then also, but she said, "Ki now you really become better." या ये वर्कशॉप करने के बाद I can see a difference. बहुत अच्छा काम किया, या ये रोल बहुत अच्छा किया. So she really motivates me. और बाकी criticism तो घर पे होता है, मतलब as a daughter कि जो बाकी चीजें होती है कि मेरे साथ
Yeah, the mother-daughter relationship.
हाँ कभी सुनना मत, then yeah, all of that.
Right. Okay, there's someone asking, what are you drinking right now?
Oh, this is actually sabza water. I don't know if you can see. तो वो सब्जा होता है ना, सब्जा, चिया सीड सब्जा, कुछ भी उसको पानी में भिगो के रखते हैं. Then I have it. It's great for your stomach and to cool your body. It's so hot.
Yeah. And you started learning this, I forgot the name again.
Coloring.
Yes, that fitness thing. It was awesome. It looks very, very, very nice. Is it for fitness or is it for
It's not easy, It's not easy at all.
It doesn't look easy at all. Absolutely not.
So it is, I think we as Indians ना हम अपने ही art forms की ना value काफी बार नहीं करते हैं. I feel like we all want to learn judo, karate, and taekwondo and this and that. And Kalari is a martial art form from our country. And anything which is हमारी country का मुझे बहुत fascinate करता है, right? I am a big promoter of yoga and now Kalari. So I had gone to Mysore a couple of months back and I picked it up from there. And I took some classes, बहुत ही basic classes. I mean, of course, Kalari में आगे बहुत कुछ है. People work with fire and this and that. I've not reached that level yet because I've just done very basic classes and I'm practicing a little bit on my own. But बहुत interesting है. I feel किसी को भी अगर martial arts है fit, because Kalari ना, it involves your core and आपका like focus, and it's a lot to do with yoga also, flexibility, बहुत चीजें आ जाती हैं. And it's great to know a martial art form. And मेरी अभी like action, जो मेरी action web series है उसमें भी help करेगा, right? Because it'll give me a certain sort of a body language and stuff to play with. So it's exciting.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice. And somebody wants to know, what are your views on yoga? So you look like a yoga person. Are you a yoga person?
Oh yeah, completely. Absolutely. And I've always promoted yoga. In fact, on my YouTube channel also, a lot of people think it's a yoga channel, but it's not a yoga channel. My first video was on yoga. Though I plan to put out a lot more yoga content, but I always say yoga is something we all have to make it a part of our life. Like the effects and the benefits are tremendous, on your mind, on your body, on your youth, everything. Yeah.
So there are many questions asking for your next upcoming project, which is Bundi Raita. Can you tell us bit more about it?
Bundi Raita is next, which I start shooting. Anamika, of course, जिसके बारे में we already spoke about, वो भी है. I don't know which one will release first. I think Anamika will release first and then Bundi Raita. Bundi Raita I start shooting now in May. Hopefully everything is like under control by then, because we're supposed to shoot for it in Dehradun. And it's a film that I'm doing with Himansh Kohli. We were supposed to start last year, and lockdown happened last year in April and almost 8 saal push ho gaye. So that's exciting. I'm looking forward to that.
So it's like again a romantic comedy or something like a wedding pulao or something.
It's a romantic comedy drama. Yeah.
So with Bundi Raita, wedding pulao, is there anything else you want to experiment with?
Some laddu movie I'll have to add now, dessert ke liye. Jalebi already aa chuki hai. Yeah, but some dessert or something to complete the course. Yeah, I think now abhi Bundi Raita or wedding pulao ke baad abhi kuch mithai ki film aani padegi.
Okay, so you watch Bollywood movies. Which are the favorites that you have in your list? Like first the legendary ones with legendary titles and maybe the recent ones also.
Legendary में तो बहुत सारे हैं. Devdas.
Devdas, the Shah Rukh Khan one or the Dilip Kumar?
Shah Rukh Khan wali more, because it's I was younger then. I mean, I related more.
Yeah, we all remember that.
You all remember that. And DDLJ, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai for me is top purely because of memories and the connect, and at the age I saw, all of these are iconic. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Like I can't choose. They're all like at Park. They're amazing. Then Cocktail, in my like not so old Cocktail, I think for me is a classic in that sense. Jab Vi Main. There's so many, right? I can go on. So these would be the classic ones. In recent times, which I really liked Thappad last year. Really liked that film. I think it was super. One film that really kind of hit me. There's another film called Kamyab. एक छोटी सी फिल्म थी. I think Netflix पे आई थी वो शायद. It was a digital film. I really Sanjay. I think Sanjay Mishra ji was in it. Really liked that film as well. Yeah, but Thappad for me in the recent times really. Even another film called Paglet I just saw recently.
Yes, I also saw that. That's really nice. Very nice movie.
Loved it. Yeah.
And any movie that you did not like that much, or you thought that ऐसी movies बनाते क्यों हैं?
पता है ऐसे कुछ मूवीज के नाम सुने हैं मैंने लेकिन मैंने देखी I never watched them. So I can't really comment because मैंने देखी नहीं. शायद देखती तो शायद पसंद आ जाती.
That's a safe answer.
But it's also a true answer. It is actually true. When when you hear it कि नहीं, then you're like अच्छा ठीक है अभी मैं कुछ और देखती हूँ. That way.
So you are shooting for an OTT web series and also for movie. Is there a difference in the way shooting happens and the concept or reading? Any difference? What are the differences that you feel are there?
There are some. Actually, till now, I've not really felt so much. But I think maybe in terms of the script, because I feel in films the script is kind of set and you get it well in advance to kind of prep for it, prepare for it. और आप readings बहुत सारी करते हो. Web series में yes script होती है पहले, but काफी चीजें change as you go with the flow. So वो एक चीज मुझे लगी. मतलब काफी बार ऐसा होता है कि आप सेट पे आते हो और सीन कुछ और हो जाता है या चेंज कर देते हैं या whatever. So that is one difference I found, and to remember each episode where it ends. And like Vikram has to remind me, okay, this is where the episode ends. So your expression has to be as a dramatic freeze, or this is where it starts. So these small things, but otherwise not really. As an actor, not much, because I'm eventually playing a character and I'm following the story and I'm playing that part.
So in recent times, is there a character played by someone else which you think, oh God, काश ये मुझे मिल जाता?
Sari. Honestly, I don't want to lie in this, and like I don't want to be like no nothing. सारी फिल्म जो मैं देखती हूँ मैं सोची कि यार काश ये मुझे मिलती. मैं क्यों नहीं यार, मुझे क्यों नहीं, क्या कमी रह गई थी मुझ में. But genuinely, like any film I watch, I'm like, oh, I could have done that. I could have totally done that. Maybe I should think of films that I feel, oh, I could not do this. Maybe I should think.
That was my next question.
That was your next question. What is a recent film that I saw and I'd be like, oh my god, I couldn't do that. I haven't seen this film that I really want to see. Actually, वो भी I think I could have done it. नहीं आ रहा मुझे भी दिमाग में, genuinely. Maybe I'll think of. I'm going to think of this. You've given me some homework to do today.
Great. All right. So, since you're, I have seen that interview where you spoke about your journey before coming to Bollywood, with the things that you were facing with your parents, your mother, and all that. I mean, I personally feel that it would have been a really emotionally hard for you, and then doing most of the romantic comedies. Do you? Do you find it hard to do comedy, or you would find very hard to do an emotional role because it's somehow it just involves you a lot, it involves you personally?
See, that's the beauty of being an actor, right? That you kind of get to escape from your real emotions. So whatever you might be going through in your real life, when you're in front of the camera, आपको एक आउटलेट मिल जाता है, राइट? कुछ इमोशंस बाहर निकालने का और कई बार कुछ इमोशंस छुपाने का. तो I have definitely used my real life. I would not lie. I've used my real life a lot of times, mostly in emotional scenes, because as actors we do that. to go back to our past and think of and take us there, and it's a very ugly experience because nobody wants to do that, right? In real life, do you want to sit and just purposely take yourself? No, you don't want to do that. But as an actor, you have to do that sometimes. So abhi I've worked a lot on myself. I've healed from all the trauma that I might have gone through, and I'm a much peaceful, better person. But yes, I do use it, and it comes in handy. कुछ तो फायदा हुआ बुरी मेमोरीज का कि वो काम में आ जाती है मेरी एक्टिंग के.
So, somebody here wants to know what diet you follow. You are definitely very fit and gorgeous. So, is there any particular diet that you can help us with?
Thank you. Actually, the diet that I follow is to not follow a diet. Like, it's really that simple. And people who know me,
Sounds like mine.
yeah, sounds like yeah. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अभी बैठ के सब शुगर खाओ और समोसे खाओ, But I really feel, कि you cannot deprive yourself और आपको नहीं, because we get one life, and for someone like me, I'm a huge foodie. But I eat sensibly. Like if I crave for a samosa, mithai, I will eat it. But I have to know when to stop. So I think a few things that we keep in mind, like chew your food properly. I really believe in that. And they say कि आप मतलब अपना 30% weight control कर सकते हो अगर आप सिर्फ अच्छे से chew करके खाओ. So that is one. I try and I try and eat sensibly. Include, like if I'm eating a paratha or something, I'll also include some greens. Drink a lot of water. Water is very important. अपने खाने के आधे घंटे पहले आप एक ग्लास पानी पी लो, and trust me, that will benefit you in your weight loss. And meditate, stay happy, do some pranayams. They're also very good for your weight loss and health. Kapalbhati, because आपकी वो digestive अग्नि को fire up करते हैं. So ऐसे ऐसे बहुत नुस्खे हैं मेरे पास. We can do a separate.
Okay, great. So, before wrapping up, a quick rapid fire तो बनता है. So,
I love it.
and only one word answers. So I'm going to read. So I'm going to look here. Okay, the hottest Bollywood
Sorry.
right now. The hottest Bollywood actor.
Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. And the most talented actress.
Alia.
Okay. Describe Sunny Leone in one word.
Cute.
And describe Sunny Singh in one word.
Cute.
Oh, we can't take that. Of course he's cute,
Bhola.
but-
Bhola.
Okay, so he is like what he played the character in Sonu ki T2K.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he's Bhola. Yeah.
All right. Your dream role.
Like as in a character, or I have to name a film, or my dream role would be a nice drama film, like a period drama film or something.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Cinemascope.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. Then one role you think you will never do. I mean, we need reference so that we know what you're talking about.
You want me to give the reference?
Hmm.
It's safe to go with something that I have said no to. A hate story, maybe.
Okay. And an actor you would like to date, and an actor you would never like to date.
All actors I would not like to date. I mean, we are self-obsessed, and I mean, एक बंदा काफी है, तो दो लोग relationship में self-obsessed कैसे रह सकते हैं? Not happening.
Not happening.
Not gonna happen.
One actor that you will never date.
Any of the married actors.
Any of the
that's
married
not-
actors.
Yeah, I will never date them. No?
Okay, that's great, Sonali. Something that you would like to say to your fans here? I've got so many requests to patch them in this room. Of course, we can't. But something that you would like to say to your fans, and then we can just sign off.
That I love you guys, and I'm genuinely extremely thankful and grateful, for giving me so much love and showing so much interest in my life. And thank you. And always be there. Don't disappear on me.
Okay, thank you so much, Sonali. It was a wonderful session. I really enjoyed this conversation with you.
Me too. Thank you. Thank you. And you please stay
All right.
safe and keep entertaining
Yeah,
all your fans and followers.
definitely.